Okay, we can start the class. Today we have a new topic, place value chart. Place value chart. You know different places in a number. Digit places in a number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs you studied. Then we have a chart. We have a chart to identify the places. It is called place value chart. You can see it in your textbook, page number 63. The place value is in two systems, Indian system and international system. You have to study the Indian system. നമ്മൾ place value follow ചെയ്യുന്നത് place value follow ചെയ്യുന്നത് Indian system ഉണ്ട്, international system ഉണ്ട്. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലേ? Okay, then we are following the Indian system of place value. That you can see in the text, page number 63. First, we group the places into ones, thousands, lakhs. These groups are called periods. First, we grouped the places into ones, thousands, and lakhs. The first row, you can see period. First one lakhs, second one thousand, and ones. നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ഈ പ്ലേസസിനെ periods ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. ഏതൊക്കെയാ periods? Ones, thousands, and lakhs. There are also subdivisions in these periods. These are called places. Ones in അകത്ത് വരുന്നത് ones എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പീരീഡിനകത്ത് ones, tens, and hundreds. These three places are called period ones. Then thousands and 10,000 comes under period thousands. Look at your book. Thousands and 10,000 comes under the period thousands. Then lakhs and 10 lakhs comes under the period lakhs. Now you have to study three periods, lakhs, thousands, and ones. Under that period, places are divided into ones, tens, and hundred under ones. Then thousands and 10,000s under thousands. Lakhs and 10 lakhs under lakhs. Understand? Understand? നമ്മൾ place value chart എഴുതുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ periods എഴുതും. പ്ലേസസിനെ periods ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. എങ്ങനെയാ? period 1, period 1000, period lakhs. Next, the places are divided under these periods. What are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, etc. These are the places. These are divided under these periods. First three places, ones, tens, and hundreds, comes under the period ones. Then next two ones, thousands and 10,000, comes under the period thousands. Next, lakhs and 10 lakhs comes under the period lakhs. Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let's check the number in the textbook. 34,67,293. The number just above the chart. You can see the number 34,67,293. Okay. First, 3 comes under the place ones. It is written under the place of ones. Then 9 comes at the place of nines. Tens. Then 2 comes at the place of hundreds. 7 comes at the place of thousands. 6 comes at the place of 10,000. 4 comes at the place of lakhs. And 3 comes at the place of 10 lakhs. This is the place value chart. Understand? When you got a number, you have to write the place value chart like this. ഒരു നമ്പർ കിട്ടിയാൽ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതുപോലെ എഴുതണം. ഫസ്റ്റ് പീരീഡ്, then place, then digit. Okay? Then next you can see one more table there. In that table, there we put a comma. Did you ever see commas between the digits? നിങ്ങൾ വലിയ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എഴുതുന്ന സമയത്ത് അതിനിടയ്ക്ക് കോമ ഇടുന്ന കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Yes or no? Yes. എന്തിനാ അങ്ങനെ കോമ ഇടുന്നേ? Why we are putting comma between the digits? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാ? It makes easy to read and write the number. We can easily write and read the number by putting commas between the digits. Okay? The method of putting comma is, look here, consider the number 652358. Can you read this? 652358. ഒറ്റ നോട്ടത്തിൽ നോക്കി ഈ നമ്പർ വായിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No. Then we are going to put commas between the digits. Okay? First, start from the right side at the place of 1. Here, 8 comes at the place of ones, 5 comes at the place of 100, and 10. 3 comes at the place of 100. These 3 digits makes the first group, first period. These 3 digits makes the first period, that is period of ones. അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ചാർട്ടില് പീരീഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ആദ്യത്തെ പീരീഡ് ഏതാ? വൺസിന്റെ പീരീഡ്. അതില് വൺസ്, ടെൻസ് ആൻഡ് ഹൺഡ്രഡ്. അത് ഈ ആദ്യത്തെ 3 ഡിജിറ്റ് അല്ലേ? ആഫ്റ്റർ 1 പീരീഡ് we put a comma. Okay? First process in the after 1 period, that is period of ones, we put a comma. Then comes the period of thousands. Here 2 is at the place of 1000, 5 is at the place of 10,000. That is the next period, the period of thousands. After that period, we again put a comma. Then the last digit comes at the place of lakh. ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ആദ്യത്തെ ഒരു പീരീഡ് ഏതാ? പീരീഡ് ഓഫ് 1. ആ പീരീഡിന്റെ അണ്ടറിൽ വരുന്ന ഏതൊക്കെയാ? 1s, 10s and 100. After that period, we put a comma. Then comes the period of thousands. That is 1000 and 10,000. After that period, we again put a comma. Now, you can read the number as 6,52,358. Understand? മനസ്സിലായോ? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ കോമ ഇടുന്നതെന്ന്? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് കോമ ഇടുന്നതെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? By putting comma between digits, we can read the number very easily. This number is read as 6,52,358. Then take another example. Can you read this number fastly? Can you read this number fastly? No, it is very difficult and we are going to put commas between the digits. നമ്മൾ ഈ നമ്പറിന്റെ ഡിജിറ്റ്സിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് കോമ ഇടുന്നു. എങ്ങനെയാ? ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്രോസസ് എന്താ? ആഫ്റ്റർ ഫസ്റ്റ് പീരീഡ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ആഫ്റ്റർ 3 digits, we put a comma. Then after next period, that is after the periods of thousands, we put a comma. Then comes the period of lakhs. Now the number can read as 58,96,545. Okay? Putting comma makes reading of number very easily. Take another example. Take another example. What is the number? Can you read this? Can you read this? Okay. I am going to put commas between the numbers. First, after first period, that is period of ones, here I am putting a comma. Then after the period of thousands, here I am putting a comma. Then now the number can read as 35,66,259. Okay? All of you understand? Yes. Then take your book, take your text. In page number 63, you can see one example. You can see one example there at the last portion of the page, the third chart. That's the question. Example 1. Write the following numbers in the Indian place value chart and write in words. Okay, let's explain the question. You are given 3 numbers here. 3 numbers തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ numbers place value chartൽ എഴുതിയിട്ട് number explain ചെയ്യണം. That is the question. Okay, first number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. When you are asked to make place value chart, draw a chart like this. എക്സാമിന് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നാൽ ഇതുപോലൊരു ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുക, ഇതുപോലൊരു ടേബിൾ വരയ്ക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് കോളത്തിൽ പീരീഡ്, that period write as lakhs, thousands, and ones. Then next row, place. Which are the places? 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. These are the places. And then you have to write the answer. First number 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Here 7 comes at the place of 1. So write 7 under 1. Then 5 comes at the place of 10. Then 5 write under 10. Then 4 comes at the place of 100. Then again 3 comes at the place of thousands. 2 comes at the place of 10,000. Okay. Then the number can read as 23,457. 23,457. Understand? Manslayo? Yes, okay. Next number. Take the next number. 709365. First digit 5. It comes under the place of ones. Then comes 6. It comes under the place of 10. Then comes 3. It is under the place of hundreds. Then 9. It comes under the place of thousands. Then 0 comes under the place of 10,000. Last 7 comes under lakhs. Then the number can read as 7 lakh 9,365. 0 indicates there is no 10,000. Okay. Then the number can read as 7 lakh 9,365. Okay. Then take the next number 2642003. All of you listen one thing. നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ചാർട്ടിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യേണ്ട വൺസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണ്. Don't start with the left side. Always start from the right side of the number. ഒരു നമ്പർ എടുത്താൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ചാർട്ടിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. Okay. Here the number is 2642003. Then 3 comes at the place of 1. 0 comes at the place of 10 and again 0 comes at the place of 100. That means in the place of hundreds and tens there is no numbers. There comes 0. Then 2 comes at the place of thousands. 4 comes at the place of 10,000. Then 6 comes at the place of lakhs. And last 2 comes at the place of 10 lakhs. Now, who is ready to read the number? If anybody can read the number, please raise your hand. The last number. Just try it. Who can read that? Alna, are you ready? If right or wrong, just try it. Alna, unmute yourself. Okay. Come on, read the number. What is the last number? Can you read that? Yes or no? Yes. I can't hear you, Alna. I can't hear you. Can't hear your voice. Okay, come on, tell me. What is the number? You are not ready? Let me ask anybody else. Devanjana is ready. Shall I ask her? Okay, Devanjana. Can you read that number? Yes. But I can't hear you. Right? Okay, read. I can't hear you. If anybody else, I'm going to unmute all. Wait a second. All are unmuted, but I can't hear your voice. I think here is some problem. Yes, the last number is 26 lakh 42,003. The last number is 26 lakh 42,003. There is no hundreds and there is no tens. All of you understand? All of you understand? Okay, then take the next page. Page number 64. There you can see example 2. Example 2. Put commas between periods and write in words. Put comma between periods and write in word. Okay, the first number is first number is, what is the first number? 47023. First number is 47023. Here you can say 3 comes at the place of ones, 2 comes at the place of tens, and 0 comes at the place of hundreds. That makes one period. After that period, I am going to put a comma. Okay. Now, the number can read as 47,023. Okay. The next number is 620678. 620678. Okay. Here, after one period, after the first period, that is next to the place of 100, I am going to put a comma. Then after the next period, again I am going to put a comma. Now the number can read as 6,20,678. Understand? Understand all of you? Yes. Okay. Then take the next example. Example 3, write in figures, put commas between periods. Next question is, you are given some numbers in words, you have to write in figures and put commas. First one is 30,428. 30,428. This is the number. How can we put comma between the digit? After one period, after the first period, we are going to put a comma. Then this is the answer. The next number is 83,700. Then 57. 83,757. And here we can put a comma. This is the answer. Next number is 9,34,701. There is no tens, so put a 0 there. Then the number becomes 934701. Okay. I'm going to put comma after one period, first period. Then again, I'm going to put comma after the second period. Then this is the answer. Okay. Next question. 50 lakh 5. That means there is no lakhs, no 10,000s, no thousands, no hundreds, and no tens. There is only 10 lakhs and ones. The number becomes 50 lakh. There is no 10,000, there is no thousand, there is no hundred, there is no tens, and last there is 5 ones. Then the answer becomes like this: 50 lakh and 5. If there is no thousands, 10,000,